YouTube, what is good, y'all? Today we are back, and this is probably one of the last times we will be in this car. It's kind of sad but we're excited actually, because we're going to take a look at a Porsche Turbo GT for my boy here. But first, gotta drop the casino winnings at the ATM. If you did not watch that video, go check that one out. But this is an exciting day. Turbo GT spec is absolutely incredible. Super excited. I'm probably gonna cut this video to when we get there, just so I'm not yapping the entire vid. But that'll be a crazy addition to the lineup if we add that. And then we're gonna actually trade this thing in right here. But yeah, let me cut over till we get to the dealership. All right, boys, we're pulling in right now. See the Urus out there, pretty valid. They actually have a pretty sick lineup. A couple of Aventadors, a couple of Huracans.
We drive around the lot for a minute.
Yeah, we'll drive around. The X5M, maybe that's the backup option just in case. Hella M's. And some non-M's. A couple Corvettes.
Other nice cars are inside.
I was gonna say, none of the nice cars are gonna be outside. Well, obviously some nice cars, but nothing too crazy.
This X5M is a class. M3.
Not bad, but gotta see what they have inside first. This M3's got some intakes, clean build. I absolutely love this CR1 right here. It's a sweet car. Alright, shout out Coast to Coast Imports. This interior with just full carbon on the Aventador is sick. I really like this red as well on the Huracan. Kind of different, you don't see it too much. This just base Huracan's not my cup of tea, but
Appreciate it, thank you. I want you to fall down.
drop top is pretty sick. Little Ford GT. Yeah, pretty solid garage here. I think the Turbo GT that we're looking at is in this room. Calling in as well. Yeah, definitely got a healthy inventory here. There's Z06, M4, sick color. I actually love that. It's just firing me up every time we go car shopping. Gets me fired up. Alright, going for a test drive. Thing is absolutely sick. Super excited to see how this drives because I've never been in one. Alright, boys, as we lie and wait and see if a deal is getting done, I want to shout out this M3 spec. Project Gamma intakes. The fitment is just nuts. Like, oh my god. And then I heard it's tuned like to the max, probably like 900 horsepower. Didn't get to see under the hood, but dealership guy said it's super fast. But shout out to some 3 spec. Putting the deposit down, boys. As you can see, absolute beauty. Yeah, guys, so as we see YouTube, and then we get like this cockpit setting, so we can see everything that's going on there. Like, this passenger screen's sick because if you turn it, it's got like the blinders basically, like you can't see it anywhere else. And then obviously, like, if you load up the YouTube app, you can actually do one for streaming services, so you can get like Amazon Prime, Hulu, Disney Plus, like any streaming service. So I'm literally going to be dopamine maxing in the passenger seat. Congrats to Cole. Obviously, like, the sickest SUV you can get. This over Urus all day long. Beer Master speakers, obviously. Paint matched key. It's 230 sticker, so you already know it's fully optioned. Driver's seat, POV. Not too much different from my wheel. It's got the gloss carbon, which is like a little different from this matte carbon. Is this wheel aftermarket?
No, it's stock wheel.
But the LCI update just is so cool, and obviously the gold trim is sick. But like, yeah, this is just such a cool SUV. On the test drive, we were hitting a few poles and like had no traction. So, I mean, it has P0s. The tires need to be warmed up. But that just goes to show how fast this car actually is. YouTube, what is good, y'all? We are back like a month and a half later, ready to pick up the Turbo GT. What better car to pick up the Turbo GT in than the Turbo S? But before that, we have a pit stop. I'm picking up my truck, actually. Just got installed new speakers and subwoofer, so we'll show that in the video as well. But obviously, you guys are here to see the Turbo GT. We're on the way. It's been highly anticipated. Finally picking it up. We'll see you guys at the dealership.
Alright guys, we're pulling in right now. Here's the Turbo GT. Looks good. Put the window down. Sheesh. It's fire, that's fire. Just parked up. Gonna take delivery of the Turbo GT now. Oh, actually, hold on, let me show you. Got an R8 as well, aside from the Turbo GT. And then these are some of the cars they got for sale. Here is 992 Gav in his truck. I see you, bro. Look, they got some McLarens for sale as well. But here's the grand prize that we've been waiting for. This thing is really nice. Look at that.
Taking it home. Thing's an absolute beast. Let's go. This is hype. This like interior, it has to be some of the best interior I've ever seen in an SUV, especially on these cars. Yo, let me get a startup. Completely stock. Has a good tone to it. It's gonna sound way better on the road. It's not one of those cars that's gonna start up real loud. Plus, it is a SUV, sport SUV, to be exact. But we're here with the boys right now, picking it up. Just to keep it clear, this is Cole's car, not my car. But definitely gonna be, you know, kind of like a channel car. Posted a lot of content with it, so definitely super cool. Congrats to him. We're about to roll out of here. All right, boys, we are finally in the passenger seat of the Turbo GT. Getting a little POV inside the cab for y'all. And first impressions of this car is, it's amazing. I haven't gotten to driven it too much yet, but it's literally like a Turbo S, but like SUV form. I know Cole loves it. It's so comfortable. The air suspension's super cool, how it lifts up and down, whether you're in sport mode or even off-roading mode. The stock ride height for like sport is like super low, so like you can get a super cool profile just driving around in sport, and then, you know, when you switch it into comfort, suspension raises up, and that's super smooth ride. So this car is definitely super flexible in that aspect, but I mean, there's just so many cool features about this car to display. Love the passenger display. I mean, this thing is super cool. We haven't downloaded anything like the YouTube yet that we showed earlier, but just a lot of like cool features here. Like a sport chrono, it'll sync up with that if we're on a track. But I just like to keep it in cockpit mode, and then you get the main display here as well. But yeah, I don't know, I want to hit a little pull here as we're coming over. This thing is so fast. Going into manual mode, Sport Plus. Sounds pretty good as well. Wow. This thing moves. An SUV should not be able to move like that. Like, I don't know if y'all could see on the speedometer, but this thing was moving. It pulls super hard. Low speeds, it's like all over the road. Traction, on or off, this thing's all over the road. Definitely gotta get the tires warm. And especially if the roads are cold, you're not gripping at all. So, I mean, this has to be like one of the most fun SUVs money can buy. If you have any opportunity to go and drive one, I recommend it. A lot of people are going for a Urus or like an RSQ8. Great cars, but this is the king of SUVs right here, and hopefully this video is going to show you why. Yeah, guys, I think this does, what does it do, like a 3 second 0 to 60, less than 3?
Yeah, around there.
Not around 3. Definitely would be a really cool car to put down pipes on. Like, dude, that pulls so hard. It sounds really good when you're more outside the cab, just because it's so insulated inside, because it wants to have a comfort feel as well. But yeah, like, you're gapping 95% of the cars on the road in this thing. Absolutely insane. Got the Charger trying to take us out. But yeah, like if you're looking for a sport SUV,
One car solution.
it literally is a one car solution. Like this is like the Turbo S and a Range Rover like combined. If you take like a Range Rover SV, combine it with the Turbo S, you're getting the Turbo GT. So to accompany this car, you want something a little bit more like a track feel, a little bit more rougher. Like this and a Turbo S would be cool, but they're just so similar in how they drive. They're just so fast, all-wheel drive, comfortable. Obviously, it's a V8 versus an inline-six, but you know, something like a Lamborghini STO or a 720 would just be better. As pulling up on this 5.0 right here. Bro knows it's not a race. But yeah, definitely would accompany super nicely with like a McLaren, a Lambo. But I mean, it's the perfect two-car solution. And I don't know if you guys follow us on Instagram or TikTok, you guys have seen the R8 is not with us anymore. So we're looking for something new. We're gonna keep you guys informed with the process. Something new for the house. So we'll see. Drop your recommendations down below. Really liking the STO 720, maybe a ZR1, you never know. So we'll see. Keep us, will let us know what you guys think down in the comments. But yeah, guys, this is the Turbo